This is why I think that most markets are going to disappear. They're going to effectively become a trading market 24/7, 365, where you can self-custodian or you can custodian with a counterparty like a central exchange. In Australia, they're behind the United States. In the United States, we're behind Switzerland and Dubai. And what's happening is now everyone's trying to catch up to technology. I think that inevitably it's going to be very difficult for that to happen, although there is signs that Australia is lightening up by letting there be an Australian dollar and trying to say, hey, we're going to give you 2 years of non-regulation to let you figure it out. But effectively, countries are going to have to catch up, and the individual populations are faster than them in terms of what's happening in their daily lives. This is policy. What I'm doing today in the United States was effectively illegal a few years ago. And in less than a year of Trump being elected, we've been able to push forward an agenda that we had 8 years ago, which is, can you tokenize the world? And we're creating a blockchain that allows you to tokenize pretty much anything you want. But here's the only counterparty to that, and that is we are also tokenizing our real world assets. So we're not creating a blockchain that starts from day one without anything on it, right? It's not we build it and we hope you show up. It's not a Kevin Costner Field of Dreams moments. It is a moment in time where we are going to eat our own cooking and digitize and tokenize our own assets.